the lake with two whiny dogs. One whiny dog that's afraid of water. One dog that's not. It will get into anything. I christen your boat the banana boat. The other one out there is called the green apple. You need some help? And here comes the green apple. Champion. The green apple already has a passenger. The banana boat is still being bananaed by the banana captain.
Go ahead and just get as much. I'm not gonna get so many.
Okay. I'm gonna hand off.
Oh shit.
Just get in there and I will help you push off. Here you go. Take it, banana boat.
Good. Is it off?
No, it's on. No. It's on. I don't know.
Well, kayaking today. Nice Saturday with my daughter Madeline, and he just left me, so it's time to catch up. Yeah. Oh, stuck. What?
Pick it up with your paddle?
What the fuck? Is that a lure?
Yeah, I'm trying to get it.
Madeline's trying to catch a lure. Oh, animals or birds are in the thicket here.
Okay,
Get it?
found myself a lure. A hula hopper.
Nice.
I wonder I can put it where I will not gonna. Oh, here. So you went through the reeds too?
Yep. Oops. Oh, that was something different. Let's try again. There we go. Come here, Madeline. We're going a little bit along the sides of the lake, and we see a lot of these swamp thing growing. Oh, I see something like a fisherman's bait. You see, or is it? What is it?
Oh, you found another one.
Yeah, it's something.
It's a dart.
Looks like a
Here,
something different.
you can put it on my thing.
Well, I gotta back out. Here.
Oh, cool. No sharps?
No.
Oh, it's just a bobber, I think.
Yeah, it looks a little different.
This is fun. We can find a whole bunch of them.
Some of them just get stuck here. Let's see, let's explore a little bit further. Just seeing things. These guys fishing, they lose their bobs or their lures or fish hooks, kind of colorful ones. It's interesting. I'm not one to fish, but I guess it's quiet, fun, nature, I suppose. Nature is the key here. Get away from all the streets and cars all the entire week, and when you're out here, it's just serene. I take it quiet, especially with your daughter. Everything is good. Oh, there's another bird over there.
Yeah, I'm looking for the
Over there. Let's go that way. Another inroad alongside the shores. Oh my, now Madeline's stuck. Nothing here.
There's like bug nests. Freak me out.
Oh, bird. So, just gonna go through the plants here.
See this stuff?
Yeah. Ah, another inlet here. The banks are pretty, well, it's pretty shallow, really. Maybe a foot. See?
Oh, fuck.
All right, you're good. You're good. So let's try this one. There's something different here. Nice. You coming? Alright, let's try this again. There you go. Oh, Madeline. There's patrol. FYI. Put your jacket on.
Oh. I have my jacket. I'll put it on.
Where your guys' kayaks and stickers?
Oh yeah, we have our stickers.
You got the stickers and everything?
Yes, we got it.
You guys parked at ramp 2?
Yeah,
Over here at ramp 2 is where your vehicle is?
yes.
What kind of vehicle do you guys have? I just want to make sure because when we close the park, sometimes we look at like boat trailers to know who's on the water, and then we really don't know if there's kayaks or not. So.
I have that red Ford truck,
Okay.
the red dually.
Okay.
Yeah, we only stay here just for the few hours in the day,
Okay.
just to enjoy.
We close all boats have to be off the water at 4:15. So
4:15.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah,
a little over 2 hours.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, not half an hour maybe.
Oh, okay.
All right, thank you.
You guys have a good one.
You too.
Do you want to go back over there?
Yeah. Well, we already seen as much as what we have here. So one thing about being in the water, it's pretty relaxing. You're on a boat, you're in the middle of a lake, it's quiet. All you hear is the birds paddling. Takes you out of the hustle and bustle of everyday streets, work, even at home. Yeah. This Lake Skinner, once again, is one of our close by lakes, and it's really convenient for us to come out here. There's a campground that we are at right now until tomorrow, and my daughter comes in once in a while, come out and spend some time with us. So it's not a bad gig. It's quiet. I see it, except for a plane. I can take a nap, but no, can't do that. All right. Oh, there's Mom. We had a little switch. And the dogs are by the water. You can't go in the water, Jack.
I'm swallowed up by my life.
Are you drowning in it?
Yes,
Your life jacket?
yes. It's like choking me.
I don't think that's how life jackets are supposed to work, Mom.
Okay.
Keeper! Hey, Mama! Keeper! Oh, Birdie!